guys, today I'm going to talk about this amazing product which you see right behind me. It's an amazing LED vanity mirror, or I can say a bathroom mirror, and it's from the brand called Tool Kiss. Yes, you heard it right. It's the Tool Kiss bathroom mirror with the LED lights, and these lights have not one, not two, it has 3 light settings, and it's dimmable, and it's also anti-fog. What else do we need in a mirror? So let me quickly show you. This is the smart touch button here, and you can change the light, turn it on, turn it off. That's the light, and you can dim it or brighten it. I'm going to quickly show this by switching off my lights. Give me 1 second. Here we go. This is the amazing vanity mirror here. You can either put it in a bathroom. It's very easy to install. It comes with a wire, and you just have to install it, and it hardly took me like not even 15 minutes to install it. This button here you see is the smart touch button, and here you can just change the lights. So it has 3 light functions, and now I'm going to quickly show you another thing. So it's basically, if you keep pressing it, you see how it dims, which is amazing. Sometimes in the bathroom you don't need that much of light, and especially at the night time you can just dim it and keep it for your to be safe when you're walking in the night half sleepy. So that's an amazing feature in this. And then you can actually just long press, and you see how bright it's getting. Plus, another good thing about this is you can place this either horizontally or vertically, both, and it's a wall mounted mirror. Again, it has this good LED features. Let's try the other one. Here you go. That's dim. That's the brightness. I really love it. This you see is the anti-fog or the defog function. Defog function is you can just get out of the shower, and you will see the mirror is absolutely clear, so which is an amazing feature in this. So I really like this. Highly recommend. Came in a very nice box and very nicely packed.